Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huafit Watch S12 smartwatch. On our previous video, we do have a demo for pairing it with its support app on the Android platform or Android smartphone. This time, we are going to pair it with our iPhone or iOS platform. So if you are interested to see if the Huafit Watch S12 Plus is compatible with iPhone, watch this video. And if you want to know more on the setup process, okay, drop a comment below. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and pair it with our iPhone. Okay, so we have here the QR code for a website where you can download the app. It's also available here on the smartwatch. Okay, we have here the QR code, or you can just directly download it here on the App Store. Just search for the Aolon App. Okay, so this application is available on Android and iOS. To download the Smartwatch Support App, tap on Get. Wait to complete its download and it will automatically install it on our Apple iPhone, okay, or iOS platform. Alright, it's now downloading. Let's wait for it to complete its download. It is around 168 MB. Okay, it is a lightweight app for your Huafit Watch S12 Plus. Okay, let's wait. It is just 168.1 MB. So we have a version 1.0.3. Okay, it is also seems like it is also the support app for the Aolon S5. And now it has successfully downloaded the support app and installed it in our iPhone. So let's open the application. So tap on open. Okay, it is asking to register. We can use our Apple account here. Okay, agree to the permission here or privacy policy. Okay, my email cannot receive. Okay, we need a verification code. On Android smartphone, I guess we can skip this. Here, we have to register. So, okay, we'll register an account and we'll continue our pairing. Okay, so we have successfully registered. Okay, we can set our profile here. Tap on next. We can set our height. Then select next. Our kilos. Then next. Then the year. Next. Our step goal. And now we have a permission here. It is asking for our location. So allow while using the app. Okay, it is asking to activate our Bluetooth. Okay. Then let's see. I guess that's it. We have 4 menus here. Home. We have the sports. We have device and profile. To pair our smartwatch, select on device. Allow the permission to send notification. Then tap on the plus sign. It's now searching for our smartwatch. As you can see here, we have the S12 Plus. Okay, to pair your device, select on the S12 Plus. Okay, then let's see. Tap on connect. It's now connecting. Let's wait for the confirmation here. Let's see if we do have it here on the smartwatch. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Allow the notification permission. And we are connected, as you can see here. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request, allow. Okay, let's double check. Find device. And as you can see here, it is ringing. Okay, so it works. Let's select on the address book. Let's sync contacts to confirm our connectivity. Okay, synchronize. Okay, import. Okay, successfully imported on our address book. Let's see, let's verify. We have here the call, contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so very easy to pair, very easy to set up. Okay, let's double check. Health monitoring enable. Okay, everything is okay here. We have the app. Okay, activate some of the apps here. We will activate Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp application, and that's it. Go back. More settings. Light up, enable, shake to take photo, and the time. Okay, let's try to download one. Let's see if it works. It's now downloading. And as you can see here, synchronization for our smartwatch. And that's it. So we have here a successful download of a watch face on our Huafit Watch S12 Plus. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And please support our channel. You can like, share, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, bye.